Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off use of partner information on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click privacy and data. In there you will find it, use of partner information. Just click on it like this and it should be turned off. That's it. That's how to turn off use of partner information on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.